In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view LinkedIn profiles anonymously. If you want to browse someone's LinkedIn profile without showing your name or headline in their viewer list, LinkedIn gives you a built-in privacy setting for that. The process is quick, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds to turn on. Start by going to your LinkedIn homepage and looking to the top right corner of the screen. There, click on your profile picture, which is also labeled as the Me icon. This opens a drop-down menu with several account and profile options. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps the main controls for your account, including who can see your activity, how your profile appears to others, and what information is shared while you browse. Once you're inside the settings area, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Visibility. This section is specifically focused on how your profile, activity, and connections appear to other people on the platform. After that, find the section called Visibility of Your Profile and Network. In this area, look for Profile Viewing options and then click Change next to it. This is the setting that controls what other people see when you visit their profile. You'll usually see different viewing choices here. To browse anonymously, select Private Mode. Once Private Mode is enabled, LinkedIn will hide your identity when you view other profiles, so people won't see your name or personal details in their profile viewer list. That's all you need to do. One thing to keep in mind is that when Private Mode is turned on, LinkedIn may also limit what you can see about who has viewed your own profile depending on your account type and settings. So if you're using this feature, just be aware that privacy on your side can sometimes reduce visibility on the other side as well. If your goal is simply to do research, check out profiles quietly, or avoid sending visible profile views while networking. This setting can be very useful. And if you ever want to switch back, you can return to the same Profile Viewing Options section and choose a different visibility setting. With that, you now know how to view LinkedIn profiles anonymously.